Press the home key to access your messages, directories, settings, and more. You can also use the navigation keys to scroll or the dial pad to access each menu item. Let's briefly walk through each menu option. 1. New call. Places an outgoing call. 2. Messages. Gain access to the message center where you can listen to your voice messages. You can also access your messages by clicking the Message Center button. 3. Directories. View your contact directory, call lists, and favorites. 4. Recent calls. This shows you a list of recently made phone calls. 5. DND. When selecting this key, Do Not Disturb is activated. Return to the menu again to disable DND. 7. Help and support. Initiate a quick diagnostic check, get help, or get detailed information about the Edge 400 series Poly phone. 8. Settings. Access basic and advanced settings. View additional features or check the phone status. 9. Calendar. Displays your calendar. 10. Applications. Opens available applications included with your phone.